Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
फक्त जेन्ना बॉडी हाडटा तेन्नाच प्रेयर्स करपाक ते आमी आमच्या लास्ट कावन्सिलाक एलाव केल्ले. सडनली आमी हायकोर्टाक सुद्दां त्या टायमार कमिशनरान एफिडेवीट दिल्ली आसा की थंय फक्त प्रेयर्स ह्याच म्हणजे बॉडी हाडटा तेन्नाच प्रेयर्स म्हणून मशीद ना स्टेटस ना तेका. आतां सडनली थंय बोर्ड एक लायला व्हडलो मशीद म्हणून, मशीद आनी कब्रस्तान म्हणून तो इशू आज एजंडाचेर आशिल्लो. ऑथरायज कोणें केला काय म्हणून बोर्ड कमिशनर म्हणून आमी कोणें करूं ना. थंय कमिटी काडिल्ली आसा. हे बरे बरे लोकांक कमिटी काडून डे टू डे अफेर्स ते पळोवपाक तांकांय खबर ना. आनी शेवटाक एक मुस्लीम कमिटीन दुसऱ्या कमिटीनूच तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडला, कंप्लेन केल्या की कोणाक तुमी हें केलें तें कोणाक सांगनासतना अनऑथरायज थंय प्रेयर चालू आसा. आज आमी परत आसा तेच पयलींचें डिसिजन घेतलेलें तेच दवरचें, फॉलो करचें. तो बोर्ड इमिजिएटली काडचो आनी कमिटीक आफोवन विचारचें कमिटीन बाबा तांकां परमिशन कोणें दिलां अशें डिसिजन आज घेतलेलें आसा.
There was an issue about namaz and one big board that they put. So we will call the Kabristan committee. We'll see exactly what the issue is. If there's any illegality, then we will act. We received a lot of complaints from, say, the people of Bata. Now that is a full commercial area, like C1 zoning and everything. So now we are disproportionately charging them higher amounts of taxes, which we believe to be unfair. What I propose now is basically a reduction of all of these taxes. So now once, which is what we have done during this council meeting. So C1 buildings and all those people who are affected will see a reduction, I think, maybe from next month. So whoever has paid their house tax, whatever, will see an adjustment in the next year. So once it is, now we've already agreed on the council, we'll put it up for public thing within 15 days, and after that, say within the end of the month, it will come into force.